Hi, hello, and welcome back. I feel like it's been a long time since I put a video here on YouTube. I usually upload twice a week, and I've been doing once a week for the last 2 weeks, and it feels very strange for me. But I will have a Dip With Me video coming up very soon on these colors that are on my hand. But I wanted to show you guys this entire collection from All Powdered Up, which, by the way, warning, if you're here to save money, that's not going to happen. I am like the complete opposite of saving money on nail supplies, because if it sparkles, I'm buying it. Anyways, this All Powdered Up collection completely wowed me, and I needed every single color in the collection. And this is her Halloween collection, her September exclusive, which I don't think I really show because it's not available, so I don't want to tease you guys with it, and her fall collection, which is massive. I think there was a total of 28 dip powders that released on September 1st, so I'm going to show you guys, if you don't already have them, every single color in the Halloween, the regular, whatchamacallit, whatever you want. I'm going to go into detail. Hey, so here is the solids from her collection. I'm going to move the shimmers and some other colors to the side so you guys can kind of see this range of colors, the blues, the grays, the black. I'm so happy she put a black in this collection because we are past Labor Day. We're going straight into fall, so this is going to be a staple for Halloween. She already has a white, so it was time to come out with a black. Anyways, I'm intrigued to see if the black stains your skin or not, because I've worked with her highly pigmented blues before and they do not stain. So I'm hoping for the best on this one. As for the others, it doesn't look like there's a crazy range here, but it's actually, they're all very, very different. So I'm wearing this one on my thumb right now and on some of my other fingers. It is a teal with some shimmer. It's called Teal My Love. This next one, it has, like, it's a gray with purple undertones. And this next one, I think it's called Smokey, is just a straight up gray. And this one is a gray with blue undertones, and this is a sage green. And the other one's like a nice soft, like icy blue. So there's a lot of blues and grays, and like they're very light shades here. But I really do like this range for fall, and I feel like a lot of ladies who are either on the conservative side or don't really like the crazy glittery colors are gonna love this color range for fall. I don't know. That's just me thinking about what I would wear if I worked in an office or professional setting and I wasn't allowed to have loud colors on my nails. So now we're getting into the warmer tones of the fall collection, and there's still solids here, and it looks like there's 2 shimmery glitters. So this one is called Bronzer. It's absolutely stunning, and it totally deserves its name. It's brown with gold glitter in it. And then here are her other ones. So this is more of a dark mauve, and this is a really cute light, like pinky fuchsia. So it's not a super bright fuchsia. It's kind of hard for me to describe it, but it's really, like, it's pulling up brighter on camera than it is in person because of the lamp that I have. So just so you guys know. And then this is absolutely freaking gorgeous. I love this color. It is a light pink. I didn't expect like a light pink. It's actually more true to color when you see it against my skin tone. I didn't expect that color to be added into the collection. And hello, candy corn colors. Just kidding. You just need a white and then you have candy corn. But look how cute these 2 colors look paired with other colors. So not an orange. So this one's with the fuchsia, and look at this one with the pink. Like, I really just like them without the yellow and the orange next to each other. So the pairing possibilities are absolutely amazing. And then this next color is called Fairy Dust. It's a very light pink with shimmery glitter in it. I'm not good at describing this stuff. But another one that surprised me, because I wouldn't think hey, this is a fall color, but imagine how many colors you can pair this gorgeous color with. There are so many glitters, like, as you can tell, no warning needed. There's so many gorgeous glitters, so give me a second because I'm going to separate out the Halloween ones because those are limited edition. They're only going to be around for a short amount of time until the season is over, so I really don't want to blur them in with the fall collection that's going to be around forever. So here is the Halloween colors that she came out with, and I think they're really, really, really cute. Like, I don't know, it's just like, they're very unique, they're very different, and I think that Love Potion is going to be like one of the most loved ones because it's purple. people love purple. Not me, but most people, you know? And then, I don't know, like you have to get like a really good close look and see it in person and see the jars and the powder in person to truly understand what I'm talking about. I'm gonna slip it over so you guys can kind of see the bats that are in this one. I don't know. If you love Halloween, just go to her website and get these because they're so adorable. So since these glitters don't pick up the greatest under my LED light, I wanted to just show you guys the inside of the jar compared to Jen from All Powdered Up Swatches, because this does it justice, seeing her swatches outside, but also seeing the jar, just the way it like shifts, really gorgeous. This color just screams fall, and the name is so appropriate. Also, can we like hand it out to Jen and her naming capabilities, because most of the names to her powders are so punny. So if you don't know what that means, it's puns and funny. So, oh yeah, this is Jewel Reef, the one I said I was like I'm not on the fence about it because I love this color, but for a fall collection I was like, this is interesting, and spill my stuff all over the place. That's great. Awesome. All right, moving on to the next one, Sparkling Cranberry Cider. I even feel bad recommending some of these colors because they're currently sold out, but do not worry. If you are lusting over some of these, they're being restocked. Like this gorgeous one is called Autumn Sky. Absolutely stunning. Best glitter in the lineup if you ask me. It's out of stock, but girl, it is coming back. Yes. So let's move on to the other ones. Oh my God, this color, imagine it with a solid black. So this is like gorgeous silver, and you can tell on the lid like the shimmer that it has. So it's not just glitter, it's nice and shimmery with a solid black. Great for New Year's Eve, don't you think? All right, so this is a finer glitter. Not on the chunky side. I think this is one of the very few finer ones that she has. So this is really good for the girls who don't like chunky glitters. But if you're afraid of chunky glitters, try yourself a flake, because this one is a flake, and flakes are so much easier than chunky glitters. But Jen's chunky glitters are amazing. I'm telling you guys. Oh, another finer glitter. Her chunky glitters are some of the easiest chunky glitters I've ever worked with in my entire 3.5, almost 4 years of dip powder, whatever you want to call this stuff. Some of the easiest ones I've ever worked with. So here's Autumn Sky, by the way. The one that I said is the most beautiful one. Yeah, I think everybody needs this. So when it restocks, get in line, add it to cart. It's super beautiful. And this one's a nice soft shimmery one. I showed you guys earlier in the intro. She's really pretty and probably a great staple to everybody's collection. So I'm done with the glitters, the solids, showing you everything that All Powdered Up launched on September 1st. Aren't they so freaking pretty? So I wanted to get this video out before fall began, because I do my favorites videos, like spring favorites, summer favorites, at the end of the season. So I didn't want to show you guys this mani and this collection when I launched my fall favorites in December. That doesn't do you guys any good. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope that you like what you saw. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to hang around and see more videos like this and see my next dip with me using 3 of the colors in Jen's collection.